Alright, we back finishing up this grain cart. Put some new hoses on the automatic oil over there. Some orange triangles on the back. Some lights. And Dylan Tractor got me this harness from Salon Express to hook straight to the 700. This cart already had cameras on it, so hopefully this is going to work here. We'll know in just a minute. Yep. Pouring down rain again. Already had probably 2 to 3 inches. She's coming down again. So it's been messing around the shop. Not a whole lot going on. Got the combines pretty much ready, headers. So getting this baby here ready, and hopefully everything will be good to go. What's up, folks? It is Friday, May the 23rd, and as y'all can tell, we are cutting wheat. So been working in the shop for the last number of weeks since we got done planting corn. And filmed some video, but didn't film a whole lot. So anyway, it's the next big thing we got going on right now. We're cutting wheat, and when we come back to work on, we're gonna cut tomorrow, and come back to work on Tuesday. We will start planting beans. Get a little ahead. So we do double crop. Double crop is when you, I guess, grow be any crop, but you harvest one crop and then you plant another one behind it the same year. So that is what we do with beans and wheat. So we started cutting yesterday, second full day, but I have not been running a combine the whole time. I'm just on this afternoon because going to run the combine, had to go somewhere, so I got hopped on here, finish up this farm so we can knock off. Get moved first thing in the morning. So, but yep, we just getting started good. So hopefully I'll get to some more video. So far the wheat is what we cooked, pretty dry, and so we're taking it straight to the bin, running 2 trucks, as hard as they'll run, straight to the bin. So actually 2 trucks and a dump truck. Got a newbie learning how to drive the dump truck, so preparing him to drive an 18-wheeler later on. Anyway, small field, and you gotta drive through a little ditch to get over here, so the cart might come across that ditch without turning something. So we'll drive to the end right here and dump right quick. But we'll catch up with y'all later on. I'll be in a truck. My truck as usual for the most part while we're cutting wheat and planting beans, but if I do something different, I'll certainly try to show y'all if I remember to record. Sometimes just don't record a lot, so I said I was going might as well let y'all watch the dump here. And this is my first time jumping on this big cart. I think I'm doing it right, but I'm not sure. Hold a lot of grain there. Definitely hold 18-wheeler load. We loaded up the other day at the shop hauling out beans, and it didn't quite get 2 truckloads, but they had it loaded real heavy this morning, stacked up. So I don't know. I know it held up loaded. I watched it load 18-wheeler and one of the dump trucks. Of course, the dump trucks don't hold as much as 18-wheeler. Put a little bit on the front.
I'm moving back to the backfield. I'm behind it's kind of other side of Andy's house.
Somebody needs to clean that back window this morning. We got us acre or 2 left here, and then we got to drop our header and move to the back field back there where we were cutting that here. Alright, well, I'm gonna finish up this field and get moved. We'll maybe holler back at y'all. Get everything parted up. About knocked off time. Saturday, back cutting today. 8250 is running over there. 9250 there. Getting this pivot moved and cut around it. Just pressure washing the truck. Yeah. Full of wheat straw now. Loading beans. Huh? Had, let's see, 1 inch to 5/10 of rain. Couldn't cut wheat yesterday. We were off Monday. Couldn't cut wheat yesterday, so we're working around the shop. Lit the chopper blades in 8250 there, and now we're loading beans. Or when we get started back, we're gonna fire up the planter. Pretty good chance of rain again Friday, but I don't know if we'll try to plant any beans before then, but I don't know that we'll cut any wheat this week. So we did get about around 350 acres cut last week. So anyway, slow week. Moving some grain around today. Got both carts hooked up. So we got rained out. Got anywhere from about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. So the moisture's right. Might try it again tomorrow. Trying to get some room in this bin. That bin still got beans, but they're not taking beans right now. Those 3 bins are full of wheat. That bin, number 4, still got beans. So just trying to make some room here. That way when we get back in the field, we can get back to rolling. So those bins fill up pretty quick, running 2 combines. Cut well over 300 acres the other day, and so yeah, almost filled 2 of those 15,000 bushel bins up in a day. So these hold, this will be we call this number 8. Number 6, they hold 50,000. Hopefully one day where the tractor sits, there'll be another one there and another one here, and a grain leg. Anywho, not a whole lot going on. Everybody's been hard at it with the trying to get this wheat out of the field, planting some beans. That cart really makes that one look like a toy. What's up, folks? We are planting beans today. We got a get my stuff straight here. Brand new 30-foot no-till Great Plains drill back here. We are trying out. The other planter's back there somewhere. The Case 1245 sprayer's over there. So yeah, I'm on this thing for a few minutes till Hunter gets back. But we got a 40-foot drill, but it does not have the coulters on it. Plant's wheat. We also have a 20-foot drill. It does have coulters on it, but anyway, we trying out this. The 20-foot is a 3-point hitch. This one's a pull type, just like our 40-foot. A little bit different with the clutches and folding works on this one, but yeah, doing a good job so far. So hey, we are trying it out to see how we like it. Not sure yet that we're gonna get it, but anyway, planting a few acres with it. So kind of what's going on today. I think they are about to try some wheat, see what the moisture is on it, and see if we can get back to cut. Because there's rain in the forecast, but this time of year it's not guaranteed. So we have been enjoying getting the rain on the corn though. So it's looking good so far. A lot of it's tasseling and pollinating. So some of it's pollinating. It's all looking good right now. First beans I planted the other week. We set up the 1245 case planter. Those beans are coming up, and so far it looks like we're gonna have a pretty good stand. So we're looking good on the beans that are coming up. So it don't take long for these beans. Got a little bit of moisture, put them down, and they're sprouting up a couple days. So anyway, we might get some more video later on, just kind of show you what's going on today. Very warm out here today. Fixing to get on the cart here, trying to get finished up with wheat harvest. We're over here in what we call Tatum. It's 470 acres out here, so it's not consecutive openings though. Just we on one side of 1541, and we'll have to go over to the other side. But yeah, pretty decent fields on this side. The other field, the other side of the 15A over there has got some cut up stuff. But so we're down a grain cart operator today, and anyway, steady moving people around. Great Plains rep is down, so somebody had to go meet them. And so anyway, I ended up on this for a while. Been recording off and on a little bit, but not a whole lot since I recorded Saturday for the bean planting with that drill, which is the one we're demoing that Great Plains is coming to talk about. We hadn't really planted any beans since then. So we've been trying to get done with the wheat, and then we'll kind of shift our focus to beans. It's easy to do both when the weather is permitting, but it's been raining. Not every afternoon, but almost every other afternoon, let's say that. So, which is good for the corn. Is looking like we're gonna have a decent corn crop as of right now. A lot of early corn, I do believe, is already made. So we shall see. Might catch back up with y'all here in a little bit. I have not edited any videos, so I got a lot of that to do. Probably got enough to make 2 or 3 videos. I got some drone footage and all that good stuff, so hopefully y'all be seeing all of this soon. Hey, we missed the Great Plains people. Was going to plan on getting them on video, but everything don't always work out, so we grain carting instead.